You'd all be aware that we started our website last year, sometime in September or maybe December, sorry. And it's completing 1 year now, the website, and we should be renewing it anytime by the end of this year. Along with the website, we had also paid for email IDs for the committee members as well as the board of trustee members. We had already allotted these email IDs and sent the password also to the individual members. However, I understand that the login process is not so very user friendly, and there is a reluctance to use the individual email IDs. At the same time, we have also printed the visiting cards with the individual email IDs, and this gives a more professional look feel to outsiders when they deal with NMTS. So it would be a good exercise if we start using the emails at the earliest. From my side, I have made this entire process very simple, and I will show you now both on the browser and on the mobile how the emails setup can be done so that you can easily view the emails that come to you. To begin with, I will show it on the browser. I am using Chrome browser, and I will type here a simple word bit dot ly. This is the only thing actually you need to remember. I'll tell you why. This is a shortcut that I have created, bit.ly slash. Now, what is the purpose of this doing this? It is for mail, MAIL, for number four, for whom? For NMTS, capital NMTS. This is what you have to type on the browser bar. So bit.ly slash mail for NMTS. That's it. I'm sure you can easily remember this. You just need to remember bit.ly, and then everything that follows is quite logical, I feel. Please let me know if I'm wrong. Now, when you type this, it will take you directly to the login screen where you have to key in your email ID and password. This is very similar to Gmail or Outlook or anything of that sort. Since I know the info email ID, I'm typing here the info nmtamilsangam.org. Once I log in, the screen that you see is very similar to what you see when you open a Gmail or an Outlook or a Yahoo account. For example, I have a Gmail account which of mine which is opened. As you can see, on the left you have an inbox. Start is a feature of Gmail. Snooze is also important. Is also these are all special features of email of Gmail. So normally you have inbox, sent, drafts, and spam. The same thing exists here: inbox, draft, sent, spam or junk, trash means delete, archive. Archive means save it so that you don't see it anywhere. So both are identical. This is your inbox. You can click on any email, and the right side window is nothing but a view. You can see it on the what the mail is about. The renewals are due. There are quite a few junk messages that have to be removed, so that we'll have to set up some filters, which is there even in your local what you see now. So this is what you have to do. When you finish it, you come out by pressing the logout. You want to compose a new message. There is a pencil, a notepad with a pencil or pen. Create a new message. If you hover on that, you will see that. And that's it. Address it to whom, subject, and then the message. So that's nothing different about this mail. The only thing was, as I understand, it was difficult to type in those characters on the browser bar. So that made it very inconvenient. Hopefully that has been removed now and you will be able to log in with reasonable comfort. If you want to create, as you can see, I create a lot of folders and save it so that all my mails are grouped together, like your Dropbox, CRM, company report, digital marketing. Same way, if you want to do it, you can create folders by clicking on the settings button right at the bottom left corner, folder actions, compact, mark as read, import, manage folders. In manage folders, if you go into, you can create new folders and drag the mail there depending on its classification. Now this takes care of the browser window. To repeat, all you need to remember is this first 5 characters, bit.ly. Rest of it follows automatically. We are going to see the mail. So mail for which email ID am I talking about? For NMTS. And that's it. That completes the browser part of the configuration.